we'll be starting with Padottanasana, that is both legs upwards. To do this posture, lie down on the mat. Your feet are together, palms are facing down, chin towards to the chest. Now as you inhale, you have both legs up, both knees straight. Hold in this position for 3 seconds and exhale, both legs down. Again, inhale your both legs up. Exhale, both legs down. Inhale, both legs up. Exhale, down. Do this yoga posture at least 5 to 10 times, then move to the other posture. That is Pavanamuttraksana. Now inhale, both legs up. Bend your both knees. Hug your knees tightly towards to the chest. Now inhale deeply. As you exhale, bring the head and chest upwards. Bring your forehead towards to the knees and breathe. Stay in the posture 30 seconds to 1 minute and exhale, head down, chest down. Release the hands. Inhale, both legs up. Exhale, both legs down. After this posture, we'll doing Kandharasana or Sedubandhasana. Bend your knees, your feet on the mat. Hold your ankles with the both hands or bring the palms down on the mat. Now inhale your hip up, chest up. Bring your chest towards to the chin. And breathe. 30 seconds to 1 minute. And exhale slowly down. Now turn the body to one side and slowly sit up. We'll be doing Paschimottanasana. Keep the knees straight, toes facing up. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, slowly forward bend down. Hold your toes, ankles, whichever is comfortable for you. And slowly bring your foot toes to the knees. Stay in the posture at least 30 seconds to 1 minute and breathe. Then inhale, both hands up. Exhale, both hands down. Then we'll be doing Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Stand on your knees, not stand on your palms and your feet. So this is Adho Mukha Svanasana. If you have a problem with your back muscles, you can separate the feet a little bit wider and stay there and breathe. Or your feet together. Bring your heels on the mat. Keep the knees and elbows straight. Look at your toes. Stay 1 minute or 30 seconds and come down. Then sit on your heels. The final one is spinal twist. Hold your left knee with the right hand behind your back. Turn the upper body towards the left. Stay there for 30 seconds to 1 minute and come to center. Then hold the right knee with the right hand behind your back. Turn the upper body towards the right. Stay there for 30 seconds to 1 minute and come to center. These are the important yoga postures that you can practice in the morning. I hope you enjoy the session. Practice these sessions in your daily yoga practice and find out the result. I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.